All right, today we're going to talk about cranial nerves 3, 4, and 6. So now we're getting into the eyes and the vestibular system. So this is where it gets super interesting because the eyes are actually the window to your soul and your brain. They're the keyboard to your brain, however you want to look at it. So when we do DNA and limbic work, we're always looking to see what the eyes are doing. And one of the things that you can do very quickly to assess what's going on in the eyes is look in the 6 different quadrants. If you're an NLP person, you know exactly what I mean. So here's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to take my pen and I'm going to look up to my right at about, 2 o'clock. I feel pretty comfortable there. Okay. Now I'm going to look and not turn my head. I'm just going to look straight across. So now about 3 o'clock, that feels pretty good to me. Now I'm going to look down. So I'm down into the right here. Okay, it still feels comfortable to me. What you might notice is your eyes don't want to go that direction. You might notice that your nervous system all of a sudden feels like fingernails on a chalkboard. Your eyes may not even want to go there. Maybe they can't even focus there. Then I'm going to look up into the left, and that feels good. Out to the left, and that feels good. And then I'm going to look down to the left. And for today, that feels good for me. Sometimes this can be problematic. So that's one way to assess. Something else that you can do is looking at the pen, taking the pen out, looking at the pen. Do your eyes converge and come in? Okay. Another drill that you can do is look at something close to you. So I'm going to look at the pen, and then I have an object behind over top of the camera here. So I'm looking close, and then I'm looking further out. So I'm going to look at close, take that away, and then look further out. Then I'm going to look close and then farther away. So that's going to get your depth near and far. Okay. The other thing that is really interesting to do is figure eights. So I'm going to take my pen, and I'm not moving my head. Okay. I'm just moving my eyes in that figure 8 momentum. Okay. Now I'm going to go the opposite direction and see how that feels. And again, you're looking for glitches where your eyes may get stuck, where your eyes just don't want to go. These exercises are actually really cool because these can be used as assessments, but also the corrective or the exercise as well. So give those a try and let me know how they go.